Hello everyone, so in this video we would like to do another version of the Honda Accord Euro and 2007 with the new style of the air conditioner control on the screen. So on the previous one we already show up the system with the full screen touchscreen climate control, but on this one it will be a different way. So you will see a lot of air conditioner controls thing over here. You see what you are doing, you see what mode you are, and you know what system it is working, everything. Okay, but you cannot control this panel. It just show up there. But that's a good point, because when our customers say, okay, he was using the software like that, he was using Apple CarPlay like that, and he doesn't want the air conditioner control show everything on the screen. So yes, here is the answer. We have the version that showing the system like this way and quickly disappear when you don't use it in a few seconds, and coming up and showing all the thing that you are doing. Yep, that's Honda Accord Euro 2007. And also the temperature over here, it won't show up there because this car has that temperature information, but it will show up on the screen that you will see right here right now. Just have a look here. You see that it shows 22 degree. Yep, that's the one. Okay, so the temperature doesn't show on the dashboard of the car anymore, but it will show right here on the top of the head unit. Yep, that's the external temperature. So yeah, thanks again for watching, and see you on the next one.